Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back. I hope y'all are doing well. Today, I wanted to share a package I got from a new YouTuber that I found a couple weeks ago, and I love her channel. Her name is Jessica Rapp, and of course, I will link her below. She does beautiful artwork. She does beautiful journals. She makes handmade journals. She has an Etsy store called Two Silver Oranges. And I first learned about her when I was watching a video from My Life Mitts, who had shown an unboxing of Jessica's handmade journals, and they were just gorgeous. So of course, I had to figure out who this wonderful artist was. So I found her on YouTube, and I actually even put her in my shout out series number 6, which has not aired yet. So she's getting an early shout out as well. So what this package is I had caught her a few weeks ago on YouTube Live, and she was doing a giveaway, and so I was one of the winners, and I am so thrilled. Oh my goodness. I mean, I hardly ever join giveaways, much less win them. So I was so thankful and so grateful when I did win, because she has been such an inspiration to me over the last few weeks. So Jessica Rapp, thank you so much. I cannot wait to see what is in this package, because I love all your stuff. And so yeah, let's get started. Make sure you guys go over and check her out, because oh my gosh, she just does a lot of stuff. She does a lot of stuff. She works a lot with vintage items. She makes embellished, tags and little booklets, and of course her handmade journals that she sells on Etsy and all of that stuff. So yeah, please go check her out. Okay, I want to cut this, but I don't want to risk, I don't want to risk cutting into anything. So let's see if I can do this without ruining something. Yeah, you guys have got to go and check her out. I am so excited to see her channel grow. Let me tell you what, it's going to grow by leaps and bounds. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so let's see what all is in here. Oh, how sweet. Look how cute she packaged it. Oh my gosh. Woo, there is a lot of stuff in here. When she originally, holy cannoli. When she originally did the giveaway, she did it for 3 people, and she was giving away a lot of different bits, and she was also giving away some small handmade journals that she had done. And then when I was watching the live show, when she revealed the winners of the 3, she decided to go ahead and draw 3 more names, and I was one of them. So I was super duper excited. So let's see here. Okay, here. Oh, I remember seeing this little card. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like I don't know what she calls these. Oh, look, they're from Hallmark. I used to work at Hallmark when I was a teenager. So, yeah, a cute little note in there. Oh, you guys have got to check her out. I'm telling you, she's gonna be big. I can feel it. Okay, these are super cute. Oh, I have these stickers, I think. So let's see. Let's get into it. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Jessica, this is gorgeous. This is a little journal with 2 signatures. Okay, it's Midori style. Love these little eyelets on here. Oh my goodness. Oh. What is this? Is this a pocket? Yeah. Oh, look at that. She put little gussets on it. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. She is so inspiring, guys. You've got to go and watch her. Oh my gosh, seriously. This is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so it's a tiny little journal with a little safety pin in here. Oh, that's what, oh, clever. Oh, you are so clever, girl. That's how she holds the elastic in. Brilliant. Oh my gosh. See what I mean? So inspiring. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, beautiful. Let's put that there. Okay, let's move this other stuff. Okay, here's the next one. No. Oh my gosh. I can hardly contain myself, okay? I can hardly contain myself. Oh my gosh. I have loved these since I saw them on her channel a few weeks ago. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh. It's a collage of a whole bunch of little bits and pieces. Oh my gosh. There is so much detail in her work that it's not even funny. Okay. Love these as well. These are like little tiles she made out of stamps. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how cute that is. That's, again, inspiration, right? Look, that's like a little hook thing, a hook and eye thing or whatever they call it. I don't know. Maybe you find them on bras or something. That is a fabulous idea to put that on. Oh my heavens. Oh, here's another one. Gorgeous. I love these, Jessica. Oh my goodness. So much detail. So beautiful. These would just, look at that with the little ball chain. These would just hang so nicely off of a journal. Oh my gosh. Oh, and look at that with the little jump ring on it. That's just beautiful. Oh my goodness. I was secretly hoping that you would send these. Oh, these are just beautiful. Excuse me. There's Fred. He says, thank you too. Oh, look at that. And that's like a little snap, you know, that you use in sewing. What a creative way to use just so many bits. I love these. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let's see what's in here. Sorry for the noise. Oh my heavens, Betsy, look at that. Another little journal. Oh my gosh. I love how she did this, like in the Midori style with the eyelets and the little hairband. This is just adorable. And how creative is this, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, these are just precious, Jessica. Precious. Oh my heavens. Let's see what this is. Oh, I love these too that I saw on her channel. These are her bookmarks. Look how beautiful those are, right? And these have the little tiles on them too. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. This is like Christmas in February. Let's see what this is. Oh, like another little, oh, it's Velcroed. Okay. Very nice. How cute is that? Okay. That, again, inspiration. Hello. Yeah, she took like a piece of, you know, cardstock with beautiful painty papers. Orange is one of my favorite colors. And she made a little Post-it note holder. This is so clever. How adorable is that? That's gorgeous. See what's in here. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, girl. Beautiful painted papers. This is like a piece of cardstock that's been painted. Beautiful. Like Mod Podged with a little band on it. Oh, and there's a little button there that holds the band. Oh my goodness. This is wonderful. Oh, this is odd. Oddly beautiful. She took, I don't know how she did this. I don't know if this came like this or if she did this herself. Like maybe she stacked them all and then Mod Podged it. This is brilliant, Jessica. Holy cow. Yeah, so you can just like tear these little pieces off and use them as journaling cards or whatever. Oh my gosh, that is fabulous. That is fabulous, girl. And it closes like that. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is genius right there. Well, it all is, because you're a genius, if you didn't know. Just telling you, just putting it out there. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I love her style. I love these clusters that she does with all these different bits and bobs and fabric and oh my gosh. This is gorgeous with a button closure. Love this with this like braided twine. She has like the most awesome collection of bits. It's not even funny. Like I mean, seriously, just stop the video right now. Go over to her videos and just start watching. Okay. Then you can come back to this one. Look at that. And this is made out of like I don't even know, like it's thick. I don't know if it's scrapbook paper. She did a pamphlet stitch on the back. It looks like a coloring page, but it's on like thicker paper. She has a little pocket in here. Oh, I love these little things. Oh, the little file folders. Oh my gosh. These are just gorgeous. And these are this is one of her junk journals. Look at that, like a handmade paper. That's beautiful. And all of these different vintage papers, coffee dyed papers. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my goodness. Some craft paper. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's like shorthand, I believe. I remember my mother doing shorthand. Oh my gosh. Oh, I had to smell it because it even like it has that vintage smell, which is so yummy. Look at that little playing card in a glassine bag. This is beautiful paper. It looks like watercolor paper. Cute little tag, tea-dyed coffee stained tag in a little pocket. More paper. Oh gosh, I love this. A doily, a little tuck spot doily. This is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this paper is so fragile. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness. I hope I'm showing all this. Oh, I love that. That's gorgeous. Wow. More little pockets and tuck spots. There's more of this vintage sewing paper. Little bitty doily with some, with a little tag in it. Oh, on both sides. That's a cute idea. This is just gorgeous. I love this. Thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love this. Look at that. The edging. Oh my goodness. Little cards and little pockets, vintage papers, another little file folder. I love these little file folders. They are so adorable. With a little pocket in the back. This is absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, Jessica. You have no idea. I am just one lucky, blessed gal right now. And the last one. Oh my gosh. Oh my heavens, look at this. Look, she did a 4 pamphlet stitch on this one. And this is like cardboard, a little cardboard, and it's attached with an eyelet and a little hairband on a button. That's the closure. And another little journal. Jackson, don't interrupt me, all right? I'm on to something here. Oh, that paper is divine, okay? Oh my goodness. This is just fabulous. I just can't say enough. Fabulous. Look at that vellum. And like I said, she has such a beautiful collection of items. This is just absolutely stunning. Look at that. And let's see how many signatures there are. There are 3 signatures, right? Jack, you're annoying me. Little tags with some eyelash trim. Oh, with little tuck spots. Oh, and this is like an envelope thing. Oh, that's adorable. All kinds of different paper, stamping. These are just fabulous. A little pocket here with another little tag with some eyelash trim. Music tag. I mean, just all kinds of different papers. And let me tell you what, that has got to be my favorite right there. That is absolutely stunning. And then here's the next signature, another little pocket with some tags in it. Adorable. Oh my gosh. And it goes on like that. Just so beautiful. So many different types of papers. There's my favorite paper again. Golly, that's gorgeous. And then in the back, another little tag. This is simply divine. Oh, I love it all. I love it all. Thank you so much, Jessica, for your generosity and for you doing this giveaway in the first place. Let me move everything down so y'all can see all the goodness here. Thank you again. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful, and your work is even more stunning up close. I love these little books here. Just gorgeous. Thank you for the opportunity to win such a beautiful prize. And yeah, for all y'all watching, go over and check Jessica out. I'm telling you what, her channel is going to grow by leaps and bounds, and I cannot be happier for her. So head on over. Jackson says to head on over to Jessica Rapp. Again, I will definitely put her link below. I always enjoy watching her videos. She always has so many great ideas on her videos. So head on over. Thanks for joining me with this opening of the giveaway that I had won. And again, Jessica, I can't say thank you enough. Yeah, I hope you're having a really awesome day and that you're creating more loveliness. So yeah. All right. All the links are below. Check her out. Thanks for sharing your time with me, and I'll talk to you soon.